Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Apply foundation using a brush from inner to outer face, and tap the foundation using sponge. Apply foundation as shown in video, and wait a while for the concealer to set. After blending the concealer, spray a setting spray to make the makeup base last longer. Do face contouring on certain areas, and blend using a smaller brush. Also apply a highlighter and blend it. Use blush on your cheek and a little on nose, to make a fresh look. Use setting powder to set all the makeup, and also use contour below your cheekbone and jawline. Use eyeshadow on eyelid and use darker eyeshadow on the line of your eyelid to make your eyelid folds more visible. Use the white glitter to enhance your eye look, and draw a line on your under eye. Add fake eyelashes and fill in your eyebrows. Use a glitter-colored eyeshadow to make your eyes look more glamorous. For optional, you can add freckles, and don't forget to use your lipstick and lip gloss. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.